Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. With Mommy, Alfadi and Nafiza, we will have fun today.
Children's Museum Singapore.
You can take a boat, as if you are floating on river water, feeling across a bridge to get on boat. Look at this big crocodile in the river. Can pretend to fish from the boat. Very fun, isn't it? You can also crawl under this tunnel. Even pretending to be a hairstylist.
This one's special chair.
Selling vegetables and fruits in the market. Pretending to be a gardener. Planting and picking up. How to sell garden produce. You guys sell pieces high or make fresh juice.
Kenapa mbak? Oh jus mangga, oke. Neng, itu ada jus mangga nih.
Playing piano. Decorating birthday cake. Last but not least, complete and decorate flowers wall.
Goceng Bu Haji, goceng Bu Haji. Bumbu dapurnya goceng aja ya. Kenapa nggak kebanyakan itu? Ih, senyum dulu Bu Haji. Happy